Beast was founded in 1982 by John T. Harrison at the University of Birmingham. At the time, it was a collection of loudspeakers that staff and student owned that were brought together to create a performance system for music that was being composed in the studios at the time. Today, Beast is a diffusion system that comprises of over 100 loudspeakers that can be set up in a concert hall or a site-specific space such as a warehouse to create a performance system for electronic music, whether that's stereo, 8-channel, multi-channel of any number, or full-on 360-degree audio. Beast was one of the first diffusion systems in the UK and has grown to be one of the largest in the world, and it remains at the forefront for research in the performance of spatial audio and immersive works. Beast has a history of creating immersive listening experiences from the early days of diffusing stereo within a space to where we are today, where we will compose full multi-channel systems, sometimes addressing discrete loudspeakers, other times working within the virtual ambisonic world. For composers working with Beast, the ability to put the listener in the middle of the sound is something that's quite exciting and often drives the compositional process. Electronic music is an extremely broad church, and within the new Centre for Electronic Music, we represent a diversity of genres and styles and have the backbone of Beast, which has the ability to support and present all these genres and develop techniques and research around performance of spatial audio. With a growing trend of spatial audio in popular and commercial music, there's also a growth of artists wanting to work in this area, and we have been supporting and are going to continue to support artists in developing their practice.